Hey guys, what's up? Welcome back to the channel. If you're new here, my name is Sade. If you're older but a goodie, welcome back. So I'm here editing today's vlog and I just realized I don't have an intro for it. So I just wanted to come and open up to give you some context. So in this vlog, you'll see me telling my family, basically my brother and my mom and my grandparents, that I'm pregnant and their reaction to it. So in the first opening scene, you'll see my brother just laughing. That's because my boyfriend already told him. So when he came in the room, he already knew. So he was just laughing and stuff like that. So that was his reaction. And then you'll see my mom's and my grandparents, and then we'll continue on with the vlog. If you like today's video, like up the video, share the video, comment down below, tell a friend to tell a friend, come join our Day One family, and I'll see y'all in the next vloggy vlog.
What? Ça va, il a fait. Tell me. Go on.
Guys, I just told my brother. I didn't even show y'all them. I didn't tell my mom yet we're about to go on the road. I want to get her like a little gift. I wanted to low-key wait till I actually have like a sonogram or something, but I can't hold it. I can't hold my mouth. I gotta tell her. I feel like she suspects it, but I gotta tell her. So we're about to go on the road to go get something. I don't know what. Guys, so we just left the supermarket. I got a card. It's not necessarily what I wanted. It has a baby on it. It says, "Here comes cuteness," and then it says, "And there goes your heart." So I'm vlogging. Baby, let's hear how you feel.
Me?
You feel happy? And what else?
Receipt,
Get up here. See, you be talking about this and you talk about receipt for scan.
I was. No. Kinda nervous.
Nervous. Definitely nervous.
Nervous for true.
No, it's for real. But yeah. Choco, don't tell him mother already. What was your mom's reaction?
What is no?
Right? She was like, "Wow, what is no, Che?"
Yeah, for true.
Yeah, guys. So the last person reaction I forget is Mommy. Well, my mom and Papa too, but
Sorry, man.
Mommy. For true. I'm nervous to tell. I'm not nervous to tell Mommy. I just nervous. But anyway, that's that. So we'll keep y'all updated. I don't know when y'all gonna see this vlog, but whenever y'all do, then not see this none tall. Yeah, they're gonna see like 6 months down the line.
Oh yeah.
Yeah.
First Caribbean bank. You know the handwriting and Sade. Me? You know the handwriting and Sade.
Handwriting.
And Sade handwriting. Me know the handwriting, yeah.
I'm up in the
And Sade handwriting. I mean, know why now? I swear I know how. I swear I know how. I mean, I feel look and I can't tell you.
How?
I can't tell you, I mean, I feel look. I not have to look, I mean, know if you handwriting, I mean, not have to look, and I can't tell you how.
How?
You want me to show you something?
What?
Come here, son. Come here. You see me have one boy there, sir? Really? Yeah? Not easy hard. How are you boy there? How are you sit there? Get one boy there, so. Me not have to pull it. I swear me not have to pull it. I swear me not have to pull it. I swear. And me don't tell you my dream say last night, but if me tell you now, so I lie me I tell.
How your dream say?
Williams, will I tell you dream? Yeah, me talk to Williams last hand, tell her. My dream say we that one place and me just happy, me happy, and everybody just happy. And then when me wake up, my dream this heap of fish. And me I say, oh, my fish tank full of fish, so. And me I say, them fish I can't breathe and even that. So me know how I know. Me not have to look. And I feel handwriting that. Shall say me a first class meal. And me see a handwriting. Me know how I in there. Me not have to look. Me can't tell you how I in the pregnancy test. Me not have to look in there. And me tell you that for our day. You know?
And then I know what? Pull it.
Me not have to pull it. Unless me wrong.
Pull it and see.
I shoved the bubble from first Caribbean. But yeah, Chop can't get secret. That's a number one. Me not. Never eat that, you know. Me no know. Shabba idiot. Hey. Thank God. Thank you, Jesus.
How about fun with me?
The time we've been waiting for is finally here. Shall I take mommy out of the woods again? She's finally become a grandmother.
Thank you, Jesus.
Jesus, you baby, you try to hurt, right?
Go take out the cake, it a bun.
Be a great grandfather.
Say I was on great grandfather.
Yeah, I don't joke. The boy bars no square. The boy bars no square. So the next one.
Yeah, me see.
So the next one.
Upstairs.
Mama, next year now you look grand. Great grand.
Hey guys, so I am at my first appointment. It's so crazy. I'm at my first appointment. Today is the 5th of January. I got everything set up. I'm excited. I'm gonna see the baby today. I'm gonna hear the heartbeat. I did hear the heartbeat and I saw it on, I need to stop calling it it. I'm gonna say he. I saw him Sunday as well because they did an ultrasound, but I'm excited to see it again. I feel like I was in total shock then. So I'm excited to see it now, but unfortunately, Sweets could not come in because of the whole COVID. So I'm by myself. He's actually in the parking lot. We're just waiting. So I'm gonna FaceTime him and my mom. My mom keeps blowing up my phone. So I'm gonna FaceTime them once, you know, I am doing the ultrasound and everything and hear the heartbeat so they can hear it and everything like that. It's a little, it sucks a little bit because they can't come, like Sweets can't be here, but it is what it is. I'm excited. Everybody is shocked in the office. Like, they were like, are you coming in to confirm? I'm like, no, it's confirmed. I just told the nurse and she's like, I like you. You're a special case. So yeah, y'all, I just want to check in. I don't think I'm going to record in the doctor's in here, so I'll just check back in with y'all. I just wanted to come and give y'all an update on what's happening. I know I've been out of it. I don't know, I just been, and hopefully I can understand, because I've just been out of it, you know what I'm saying? So I will check y'all later. All right, y'all, first appointment down. I got the gender slip in my hand. Honestly, I want to look. Oh my gosh, where's the picture? I got a picture. Oh, it's crushed up. Sade, come on. I thought these papers would have been a little thicker. But look at his face. Well, I don't know if it's a his or her, but look at her face. The eyes. Oh. Hey, baby daddy. So, guys, be a look funny Jane down and tell nobody. I want a surprise. So we look. Me kind of want to look and me kind of want to look. Because I don't think I go act surprise if me know. But see it, yeah? Make it stay. Oh God, they need to get it out of my hand then, because I'm going to get the angel or somebody, because me go look. But mommy don't want nobody have it. Guys, I just want to know. Let me show you the picture. I only got one. I thought I was going to get multiple. But look, I don't know if that's how the mouth look. I hope not. But as the woman put something, see me, he want me and look. I was like, yeah, put. Can you see it? It look dark. Baby got a big ass face like mine. You see the eyes open though?
I will do me one dog face.
There you go. You see the lip? I'm like, hopefully that's not how the lip look. I feel me lip that a lot. Ooh, I was like, as long as I don't got the nose, but is that the ears? I don't think that's the ears. That's too big. But you see the eyes?
No.
You know, see, yeah, you're right there. So be up, and I was like, that's the eyes open, and she was like, yeah, he or she just opened its eyes. Guys, I can't believe I'm freaking pregnant, like a whole almost 7 months pregnant. Jesus peas. Mommy, yes ma'am.
Yes, you know what? Yeah.
What?
You know what I'm telling you? It's going to become a mother. So you have to understand why you're called.
Oh God.
Glad you made me die bad.
Bad for what, mommy? Yeah, but me obviously me can't answer. Like if I saw me, I know say me would have call you, but then I'm in there. Me I did a doze off before the doctor come in, and then the nurse, me say me did a doze off before the doctor come in, cause the nurse even come back in and say, oh, she'll be right with you. Me say. Me that wait long for the doctor, cause me did even doze off, and then the nurse come back in and say she soon come. The doctor soon come. That's how long I was waiting. Me have then set up about 3 other appointments. Me have to come do all these other appointments. I have to come back Friday, and I think checkout can come.
Where you going to Friday?
Glucose.
That's fine.
I mean, no, because they miss so far along, usually every 4 weeks, but now I have to go appointment every 2 weeks. Me have a gender, me I convince check if you make we look.
No.
Well, somebody need to take you out of me, and you know.
Check out if you look, me not have to give you shower. It's up to me, right? Yeah. If you look, me not don't look at it, don't spoil it.
Alright, me I try.
Not true.
Cause, but this ultrasound I look like a girl.
You don't look. Don't look.
Yeah, feel worried. Yes, I make you look on the mouth. Hold on, let me let my phone up there. Oh no.
You know, especially, you know, when men look on the mouth, funny.
Jesus Christ.
Not drinking.
Mommy, no, Jesus, not tell me then something there.
Yes, the mouth not putting on me nothing. Yeah, but that's the one mouth and the man sucking it. man, come on, that's right.
I know about sucking tongue now.
Anyway, no, what's up in the minute after everything went into wrong.
But if you didn't know, so then I would man of them something there.
They do everything, the only thing they not do is breathe. The only thing they don't do is breathe. Like they breathe out that drowning and it's stuck. But when they're gone,
And take their first breath.
that's why most of them have to cry and then they don't start.
Me say it's in a cushion. Me think I want thicker paper than this then get a picture pan. Alright, me I go send them to you now. Alright, me I go home when me reach home. Alright guys, first appointment down. Couple more to go. How you feel? How you feel? I mean, you don't get to come in, but I think next time come in, me pretty sure. Answer how you feel.
What's me feel happy?
You feel happy? Nervous? Yeah, nervous. I mean, I'm nervous. Alright guys, so later.
Hey guys, what's up? Welcome back to the channel. So excuse my greasy look, but I'm here editing the video and I just realized that I did not have an intro, so here we go. Hey guys, what's up? So if you're new here, welcome. If you're older but a goodie, welcome back. So today's video is about me telling my family and everybody that I'm pregnant. So basically their reaction to me telling them. In the opening scene, I didn't set the context because I forgot to like film that part, but my boyfriend ended up telling my brother, so him laughing and stuff like that is his reaction, and then you'll see my mom's reaction and my grandparents' reaction, and then we're going to continue on with the vlog. Hopefully you enjoyed. If you did, don't forget to thumbs up the video, like up the video, comment down below, all of that stuff, and I'll see y'all in the next one.